Why our multi-spoon packing machine need to connected with the molding injection machine?
If it is not connected with molding injection machine, it can only pack single spoon.
How many piece of spoon normally in a packaging?
It depends on customer request, normally from 10 pc up to 100 pc.
Can we change the shape and size of spoon in a machine?
Machine only accept one fixed shape and size of spoon. Better not to change the spoon type.
What type of the injection machine can be used to connect with the packing machine?
A injection machine needs to have a robot arm and also it has some requirements to the mold.
How we can order it?
Contact us and give us the photo of the molding injection machine and its mold.